My dear students and parents, in this video we are going to study finding the how many liters of water in a cylindrical vessel. In the chapter surface areas and volumes, in the subject mathematics to the 9th CBSE students. It is also useful to 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE and plus 2 CBSE students because of the basic concepts I am going to say in this video. By God's grace, my educational videos are available in YouTube to 9th CBSE, 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE, plus 2 CBSE, NEET and IAT students in the subjects mathematics, physics, chemistry, zoology and botany in English language. What is the sum? The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? One hint is given, 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. What is the given data? The given data are the circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel. That is 2 pi r is provided as 132 centimeter. We know that the formula for the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. The base of the cylinder will be in the shape of the circle, so that we are writing the formula for the circumference of the base of the cylindrical as 2 pi r. Then the height of the cylindrical vessel is also supplied. It is supplied as height equal to 25 centimeter. We have to find the volume of the cylindrical vessel. So that I am putting the question mark. What is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder? Capital V equal to pi r square h. The students can refer the board for the formulae to 6 different shapes. That is for the formulae of curved surface area and volume. On seeing this equation, this is the constant pi. The height has been provided. The volume is asked, so that I am writing the question mark. I have already told many times, from one equation we can find the value of only one unknown data subject to the condition if we know the values of all other data. In this equation we are not knowing two data, that is volume and radius. So we cannot find the volume of the cylindrical vessel directly. Without knowing the radius of the cylindrical vessel, we cannot find the volume of the cylindrical vessel. What is the remedy left to us so as to find the radius of the cylindrical vessel? That is the radius of the base of the cylindrical vessel. That is, in the sum they have given the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel. That is 2 pi r is supplied as 132 centimeter. From this equation, first of all we should find the radius. How? In this equation, in the left side there are 3 data, in the right side there is only one data. The 2 is the constant and pi is the constant. 132 centimeter is also constant. So from one equation we can find the value of only one unknown data. Here that unknown data is radius r. So from this we can find the value of radius of the cylindrical vessel. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 132 centimeter. If we simplify, we will get the radius r as 21 centimeter. Then if we substitute this radius in this formula, that is the formula for the volume of the cylindrical vessel, we can now easily find the volume of the cylindrical vessel. The formula is, as already told, pi r square h. So capital V equal to pi. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the value of r? We have determined 21 into 21 into 25. If we simplify and multiply all factors, we will get the value for the volume as 34,650 centimeter cube. You can also refer the board for the calculation. So now we have got the volume of the cylindrical vessel in centimeter cube, but in the sum they have asked the volume in liters. Why we are selecting the formula for the volume of the cylindrical vessel? Why we did not select the curved surface area of the cylinder? Because when we pour the water will fill the base circle, then again another circle, then another circle, so that the area is filled and the area is raised by height, so that we are writing the formula for the volume of the cylindrical vessel, not for the circumference of the cylindrical vessel. In the case of the curved surface area of the cylinder, the area is not raised by height, only the circumference is raised by height. What is 2 pi r? The circumference of the circle. Since the circumference of the circle is raised by height, in order to find the curved surface area of the cylinder, we are writing the formula as 2 pi r h. So how can we convert the centimeter cube into liter? One hint is provided in the sum, that is 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. In our hands we are not having 1000 centimeter cube, we are having 34,650 centimeter cube. In the first equation, 2 data is available. In the second equation, only 1 data is available. So how can we find the liter from the centimeter cube? This equation should be converted into a fractional relation first of all. How can we write into the fractional relation? That is, we should decide which data is to be found, whether the liter is to be found or whether the centimeter cube is to be found. In this sum, we are going to find the liter, so that the liter should be written in the numerator, and its relation, that is 1000 centimeter cube, should be written in the denominator. So what is the meaning of this fraction? If the volume is 1000 centimeter cube, it is 1 liter. Therefore, if the volume is 34,650 centimeter cube, what will be the liters? So if we remove the words, we will get volume in liter equal to 34,650 by 1000. If we divide 34,650 by 1000, we will get the volume of the cylindrical vessel in liter as 34.65 liters. My dear students, if this video is really beneficial to you, you can share this video with your friends, classmates and relatives. You can also subscribe my channel.